if you want to remove SIM card on a POCO F7 Pro, then first of all we need to prepare the eject tool, the SIM eject tool. I have mine over here. You should be able to find yours on the box of POCO F7 Pro inside the box. And of course, our SIM card is located in the SIM tray, and the SIM tray is over here at the bottom of the phone. Insert your eject tool into the hole and then push it in until the SIM tray comes out, just a little bit. It will come out just slightly, and then use your fingernails or fingers in order to completely remove it from the phone. And then in my case, I have 2 SIM cards, and in order to remove them, we can try to push a little bit from the other side. You might want to use something like this, like put your hand below so that you don't lose your SIM cards. And you can try to, like, for example, bend it, but just slightly. Of course, you don't want to damage the SIM tray, you don't want to break it. And eventually they should come out. Or try to do something like this, right? From this point, try to bend it, but just slightly, so that it can be removed. If you had 2 SIM cards, then of course it will be just a little bit harder, but once you remove at least 1 SIM card, or if you had just 1 SIM card, then you can also try to push from the other side over here, and it should come out really easily, as you can see here. And that's pretty much it. Of course, once we remove our SIM cards from SIM tray, we need to insert the SIM tray back into the phone and just push it in with your finger. Make sure that it is fully in, it doesn't stick out. That's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!